So you just got to be patient, and it's going to pay off. My point is, I watch a few various wonderful silver channels, very, very motivating, informational, educational channels. This is a gentleman here, jsnip4. I've been watching him. I have to say, I'm trying to estimate 2008, 9. He's the one that right here, this gentleman right here got me stacking silver. And I gotta say, he's never 100% right. Who is? But I'll tell you, with silver and cryptos, he's been spot on for me. Yeah, he misses a couple of the dips, and hey, everything takes a dip, and you can't hold the guy accountable for every little dip. But for the whole, when you look at the entire trajectory of silver and cryptos, it's working out. You just gotta be patient. So, on with the news here. I'm going to refresh this page just in case things changed. So silver closed down at, if you can see it right here, 1844. But that was from a 7-cent downfall. So that means it was 1851. 1851. Silver is paying off. For you folks who started stacking silver when it was $14, 4 years ago, 3 years ago, 14 bucks. And a lot of you folks have, I understand, maybe given up on it or put the silver on pause. You can see from these numbers, silver has increased. Can you say that about the dollar? Can you say that in 10 years about the dollar? Its purchasing power going up from $14 to $18.50. I believe this is the start of something bigger. I have no doubt we see gold here at about 1620. I want to get into gold because I have no doubt this is the start of an ascension. This is the start of it ascending the mountain. I have no doubt in 6 months, 9 months, it'll be close to $1,700 an ounce. I want to get in now. You just got to be patient. A lot of people are they want a quick buck. They want to get rich quick scheme. And this is not where you would go. You want to get rich quick. Go buy yourself a lottery ticket and tell me how that works out for you. Silver, gold, and even cryptos. It's a small, quiet climb up. Each small step is just a little up. You never even hear it. You never see it. It's so quiet. And all of a sudden you turn your back and then you turn back towards it and boom, it's moved. I always call the climbs in silver, more so crypto, as stair steppers. They seem to go up, go down. And then they go up higher, go down. Then they go up even higher, go down. And with silver, I'm seeing the same things. It does take a longer time. It was stagnant at right around, 14 and change for hell the longest time. But cryptos, it does that stair stepper, and it gives you plenty of time to make money. I bought cryptos, excuse me, I don't know, I think I started about a year ago. To this date, and all the naysayers out there, you're going to lose your shirt, you're going to lose your shirt. I am up in all my cryptos. And I'm not just talking pennies. I am up in my cryptos. I don't have much, but what I got, I am definitely up. So when people say you don't have a chance with cryptos, you're absolutely wrong. You just don't have any. And if you had some, you would see that your words that are coming out of your mouth are completely incorrect. Anyway, folks, I gotta run. Be patient. Be patient with your gold. Be patient with your silver. Just be patient. Take care.